Hi, I'm Shane Jolley and I'm joined by the incredible Masa from Asian Inspirations. Now Masa, I'm a little bit excited today because I believe we're cooking one of my favourite cuisines in Japanese.
Yes, we're going to be cooking the Hiroshima-style Okonomiyaki today. Yeah, we're going to start cooking off with the butter. We've got a bit of flour.
And of course, usually back in Japan, as you know, you're cooking these on the grills, aren't you? In front of you almost.
Yes.
Yeah.
Just add a bit of baking powder and some dashi powder in there.
Okay.
Just mix it all in.
Fairly easy dish to prepare.
It's easy to prepare. It might be a little tricky when you're cooking, yeah.
What's next?
If you can, just add some tomato sauce, brown sugar, and Worcestershire sauce in this bowl here.
Okay.
Mix it all in, and that's going to be the sauce.
Sure, okay. Now the sauce, you can actually buy this at Asian grocers or do it yourself, is that right?
Exactly. Should be labelled Okonomiyaki sauce, which is a very staple sauce that we all use in Japan.
So you can't miss it. And of course, I suppose you could add many ingredients into your okonomiyaki, couldn't you? Not just the set ones, but it's a pretty versatile dish.
Yes, it's very versatile. I mean, most of it is usually cabbage. So most of the vegetable, 90% of the actual okonomiyaki itself is cabbage. However, you're more than welcome to add extra vegetables in there. So once the pan's heated,
It's almost a perfect looking pancake there.
maybe a bit more. So once the pancake mix is about half cooked,
Okay.
we'll add the cabbage.
Cabbage, yep.
Handful.
Great. Okay.
Spring onions.
Spring onions next, okay.
Now this is a little crisp made out of tempura butter. So get a bit of oil heated up, make a bit of tempura butter, we put it in and just make little crisps. Just adds a little bit of extra texture.
Nice.
Just like so. Just add it all in.
Looks good.
Then we put the pork belly on top.
Yep.
I put a drizzle a little bit of extra butter on top to glue it all together. So that
Right.
when we flip it, it doesn't fall apart.
Like it.
Cool.
Sounds good.
Fantastic.
Sounds good.
Now in the separate pan, we're going to cook up a bit of soba noodles.
Okay. I'm guessing these wouldn't take too long to cook either.
No. So we're just going to quickly stir fry it, just to give it a bit of extra crisp.
Crispness.
Just a little bit of soy sauce.
Yep. Looking good.
Just blend it all together. Alright, that's done. We'll just transfer this to a bowl.
Yep.
You can just crack 3-4 eggs in there.
4 eggs in there? Sure.
And then, really depends on the size of the okonomiyaki. But if you made your okonomiyaki nice and massive,
Yep.
you might want to do a flipping style.
Yes.
Otherwise, if you're really confident with your spatulas, go for it.
Voila.
And then, the main part of
there it is.
today's dish, the cucumber mayonnaise.
Very, very good. Go to
Drizzle
town
that
on
over
the
top.
mayonnaise. Beautiful.
You're more than welcome to go all out if you want to.
I was almost going to go the other way.
Yeah.
Only because I love that mayonnaise so much. There you go. I'll leave that to the expert.
And there you have it.
That looks sensational, Masa.
If you want some little bit of greens, you can also use a little bit of leftover spring onions over the top if you want to. Or if you have aonori, which is a dried up green seaweed, that also looks very nice on top as well.
Beautiful.
Well, thank you very much, Shane.
Well done. I can't wait to taste it.
Please do.
Here we go.
You're making me nervous.
Oh, no. All good. Here we go. Well, I've got to get some pork as well. Very crispy. And I like that.
Bit of different texture to the normal okonomiyaki.
Actually is that, but that sauce is oishidesu.
Oishii desu ka?
Very, very good.
Yeah, I reckon this sauce is quite a European style, actually.
You're right. You could add a little bit of spice if you
Exactly.
like, but that was delicious.
Yeah. Literally, you can add anything to it.
Yum. Well done.
Thank you very much, sir.
Fantastic.
Glad you like it. I was a bit nervous back there.
No, it was great. Well done.
Excellent.